One. Isang level lang. One level. Galing sa balikat ang movement. Sa shoulders galing. Right. And left. Right. And left again. Right. And left palabas. Right. And left again. Good. Right. And left again. Right. Keep breathing. And left. Double time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Slide it out. 7, and 8 again. And 5, 4, paikot. Yun. Good. High your arms. Don't bend your elbows too much. Hinga. Kaya kayo napapagod. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last 8. Last. 8, 7, 6, 5. Hinga. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. And up. Down again. And up. Next. Snake arms. Arms pa din. Elbow up. Wrist. Parang nag-a-appear. And down. Elbow. Corner. Up. Appear. Again. Elbow. And wrist. Elbow. And wrist. Again. Elbow. And wrist. Elbow. And wrist. Good. Other side. Side. Elbow. And wrist. Elbow. Fluid. Wrist. Isa pa. Elbow. Opposite. Alternate. Isa-isa lang ay elbow. And wrist. Elbow. And wrist. Opposite lang. Elbow. Okay, slowly. Pag yung isa nakataas, isa pa ba? Up. Elbow. And wrist. Elbow. And wrist. Good. Elbow. And wrist. Bend your elbows. Elbow. And wrist again. Elbow. And wrist. Double time. 1. 3 snake arms. Parang ahas. 6, 7, and 8. Good. Slower. 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rhythm music. Right, left, right, and left, right, left, right. Your other right, right, left, right. Smaller movements. Smaller, halfway. Kalahati lang. Last 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 8, 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4. Don't stop. 3, 2, and 1. Down and up again. Down, up. Kaya pa? Wala pang half. Upper body pa lang. Arms pa lang. We still have the chest and the hips to worry about. Alright, so the chest, the breathing technique is, hinga kayo sa ilong. Pag nag-inhale kayo, isa-suck in yung stomach nyo, yung tiyan nyo, paloob. Exhale, palabas. So, in, yun. Wala, ano na. Okay, inhale, concentrate. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, stomach. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Ay, kailangan ko makita yung tiyan nyo na gumagalaw. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Tingin kayo dito. Face this way para makita nyo yung tiyan. This way. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Kailangan masikip ang tiyan. Tight. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8, 7, paloob. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last. 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ang next, since alam nyo na yung movement ng tiyan, is the undulations. Listen, undulations. Ganito yung itsura niya. Papakita ko muna sa inyo. Tapos gawin natin na mabagal, slowly. So, chest and in, chest out and in, chest out and in. Okay, slowly. Gawin nyo, okay? Chest out, chest up. Parang yung chest mo nakaturo sa kisame, sa ceiling. Move in, yung puwet nyo ipasok nyo ng konti. Tapos back in place. Chest out. Can I see chest out first? Chest out, butt out, okay? Chest up. Pasok puwet. Back in place. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 8, 7, labas mo pa. 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7. Again, out, up, back in place. Inhale, hold, exhale. Again, inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, continue. Exhale, again, inhale, hold, exhale. We'll try it with the music. Huwag niyong kakalimutan huminga. Malayo ang hospital. Okay?
Magbayad po kami dito.
Ay. Sana ang rewind niya. Alam niyo kung saan.
Yan ang Arabic language.
Ya, bibi.
Ya, bibi.
Ay, hindi ako.
Oo,